Hello, I hope everybody is doing well. Okay, human beings, we all, even some other living creatures, they have a sense of curiosity. We have a sense of curiosity. We want to know things. हम चीज़ों को जानना चाहते हैं. We want to know what's going to happen in future and what's behind that thing. How is this man becoming so rich? How is this man getting everything what he wants? Or how did he lose that? ये इंसान इतना अमीर कैसे हो गया? ये इंसान इतना कुछ खो कैसे चुका है? इतना बहुत अमीर था, आज बहुत गरीब है. He was so rich, now he's not anymore. So there is a thing of curiosity. How is this person doing that? How is this person doing that? How is this happening? How is that happening? We always want to know things. हम हमेशा जानना चाहते हैं कि ये कैसे हो गया, वो कैसे हो गया. सब चीज़ों के बारे में समझना चाहते हैं. Curiosity. That's what makes us do things, and go behind. We gossip, we talk. But actually, this curiosity is not giving us anything. It's a useless, sense of knowing something which we actually don't want to know. And we just keep on doing that. हमें इससे कुछ मिलता नहीं है, इस क्यूरियोसिटी से, ये सब कुछ जान लेने से, या किसी का वो ऐसा क्यों है या ये ऐसा क्यों है, वो इंसान ये क्यों कर रहा है, उसके पास इतना कुछ क्यों है, उसके पास इतना कुछ क्यों नहीं है. ये सब कुछ इससे हमें क्या फ़ायदा है. लेकिन फिर भी ये एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो हर इंसान में पाई जाती है. Every human being has it, this curiosity, but actually this is a useless thing. This curiosity is not paying us anything. We're not getting anything from this curiosity. It has no benefit. On the other hand, it's something which is damaging us. इससे हमें कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं है, लेकिन दूसरी जगह पर ये हमें नुकसान दे रही है. और हम एज अ मुसलमान दीनी तौर पर भी हम इसकी वजह से नुकसान उठाते हैं. जब किसी के पीछे गीबत, चुगली, ये सब कुछ करते हैं, पूछने की कोशिश करते हैं, and we get nothing. We are tense. So दोस्तों, don't be curious about things which are of no use to you. Even if they are of some use, you don't need to be curious. You need to be positive about things. Okay, this person is something. How he is, that's his story. But I would like to be a good person, a successful person by this way. You just drive your own thing. कोई इंसान अमीर है या गरीब है, उससे आपको उसके लिए खुशी होनी चाहिए और ख़ुद सोचना चाहिए कि मुझे भी ऐसा बनना है. लेकिन कैसे बनना है, ये मेरा अपना तरीका है. मुझे I should drive out something, I should make a plan, I should become something successful. So remember one thing, curiosity kills the cat. That's a very famous saying. So should be curious? No, you shouldn't be. Just plan of something, doing on your own. Have a good day, everybody.